This is the most accurate handgun I have ever shot in my life. This is the M-Arms Kratos, made in Slovenia. And yeah, sure, it costs a bit more than my car, but it's an amazing handgun. We set up the targets and did some warm-up shots to get a feel for the handgun. After the second group of 10 rounds, we were amazed. The grouping was so good that we went back and measured the distance to the target. It was 35 meters, which equals 38 yards, or 115 feet, or 17 grizzly bears and a rattlesnake, for you Americans. I know that there are a couple of precision shooters out there. This is a 35 meters, not 25, 35, and these are just like flyers. I don't know, I maybe pulled it just a bit, but if you look at this group here, just...
So this is an amazing group, Giga.
Thank
but
you.
I bet you like 30 euros I can make it better.
Really?
Yep.
How?
With my hand, because I'm better than you.
I'm willing to take that bet.
A little secret from the experts. Belly out, lean on your back. That was a bad shot.
Wow! What a grouping! So how much money do you owe me? I hope this got your interest, because it definitely did mine. So what is this handgun and why is it so good? Kratos is a project from a Slovenian company, M-Arms, that it's known for producing high-quality firearm accessories. Kratos is a 9mm single-stack handgun that is heavily based on a 1911 design. What makes it so great is also what makes it so expensive. It features several upgrades and patented design improvements that separate it from other 1911 style handguns. The level of high-end machining and tight tolerances in Kratos is absurd. Everything on this handgun fits together perfectly, and in fact, while filming this video over the course of 2 days, we shot 600 rounds through the Kratos without a single hiccup. Fun fact! Did you know that 1911 style handguns do not run well with flat-nose rounds or hollow points? Well, we didn't know that, and for the last 2 days we were shooting mostly flat-nosed subsonics from Sellier, and we had zero problems with it. So we asked M-Arms about this, and I guess they have a special 2-ramp design in the Kratos, which makes it run most of the commercially available ammo.
Catch me if you can, bitch.
What I find amazing is that there is no single meme produced or sintered part on this handgun. Even the smallest, seemingly insignificant parts are carefully designed and precision machined from specially selected materials. For example, the trigger is cut from a single piece of titanium alloy by electric discharge machining. Why? Because they can. This gives the trigger the optimal geometry and ideal weight for this purpose. We disassembled the handgun, and what impressed me the most was the spherical bushing system for the barrel. It guides the barrel, centers it in the exact same position every time, and keeps it there rock solid. I'm not a gunsmith, but I'm willing to bet that this is the thing that makes this handgun super accurate. It seems like M-Arms is a company of perfectionists. They made so many changes and improvements to the parts, trying to make them perfect. Even the handgun that we were using for our video is considered just a prototype, despite being used at the IPSC World Shoot in Thailand. We haven't really noticed, but apparently certain parts in this handgun have some machining marks visible, or they are not up to the standard that will be used in the production version of this handgun. Now all of this sounds great, but how does it compare to the Alien? Well, after firing the guns side by side, you can immediately feel the difference. Alien works on a piston delayed system and has a very low bore axis. The recoil is very fast and sharp, but it has barely any muzzle rise. The Kratos, on the other hand, has a more noticeable muzzle rise, but the recoil is a bit slower and mellow. It's hard to describe with words, but essentially it has a softer recoil and the barrel tracks directly back to where you are aiming. We can see that in a slow motion footage of the guns being fired slowly and fast. Another bonus point for the Kratos is that its design allows it to shoot hollow points and even lead cast bullets that would usually cause problems with the Alien. We have all tried to shoot the plate rack with both of the handguns. Some of us more successful than others. But after many tries, we have come to a conclusion. The limiting factor was not the gun, but the person using it. We have both of the handguns here. We shot them side by side, and I cannot say which one is better since these are two very different platforms, but they are very close. It took us by surprise, but Kratos is a superb handgun, and you can put it side by side with an Alien or any other premium handgun, and it will hold its own. It's super accurate, it's amazing to shoot, and I don't know, it's
Expensive. They are very expensive. They cost an arm and a leg, but at the end of the day there is a market for pistols like that. It's just that I'm not a part of that market yet. Buy me one. Smooth like butter! Bravo, stari, let's go!